BMX Chase 101 here. I am doing a bike check. So, I just got into BMXing like, I don't know, maybe a month ago or two ago. So, I'm just gonna, So, start off with the grips. Animal Edwin grips with the barns that come with the animal, whatever. That's the stock brake lever that came with this. The animal brake cable, it's not the fancy liner or linear, whatever it is. Stock stem. Cane Creek headset. Just the stock wheel, stock forks, all that stuff, you know. Pretty boring right now because I haven't bought anything old for it really. So, go pedals. Just the stock cranks and stock sprocket and chain. Stock brake pads. This is the stock seat, but it's a black label. Come with the seat post too, you know. The rear wheel. When I bought it, the kid had a Haro wheel on it. So yeah, it sucks. I want to get a new one. Check out my other videos because I need a wheel recommendation between a nitrous double shot rim and a stolen revolver rim, which they're both the same price, but you know, I was just wondering what you guys think is the best. And yeah, that's my bike check. Oh yeah, and my bike is a Mirriaco Velle. Like it's like a trail bike or something like that. So yeah.